Deere down almost 3% after delivering on the surface what appeared to be a really good quarter. Stephanie, why is Deere down? I mean, I'm looking at it, it beat on revenues, beat on EPS, guidance was strong. What's the problem?
Yeah, this stock always trades down on the quarter, so you never buy it ahead of time, and you always buy it afterwards. It's proven to have been a very good buy when you do so. The issue is margins. That was disappointing. Operating profits were below plan despite higher revenues. The reason mainly is higher raw material costs, but also they had an SAP implementation in the quarter, and they also have a product transition going on. I think a lot of these things are kind of behind the company, if you will, in terms of the product transition and the SAP implementation. In terms of commodity costs, we know that they are coming down. So I think that despite all of this, the company raised guidance. So we'd be a buyer.
Right. I was going to ask, can we extrapolate any of that to sort of highlight what investors are worried about in terms of a double-dip recession?
No, I mean, if anything, what was surprising is the construction and forestry division. They actually increased growth year over year to be 45% from 35%. So that actually just blew me away, honestly. And they also are talking very positively about their ag and turf business, that the secular demand is still there. And they may be a little more conservative on where commodity prices, fall out for the year, but they're still higher on a year over year basis. And the company, again, with the better margins, should be more profitable. You should see better operating leverage going forward.
So you're buying Deere on this dip?
We would be buying, definitely, especially in the low 70s. Yes, it's 12 times earnings. For where we are in the cycle, I think that's a very attractive price for the long term.
And I had also picked up on that construction and forestry number as well. Is there another way to play this theme aside from Deere?
Well, yeah, certainly you can. I mean, I think CAT would be certainly one that you want to take a look at, particularly since it's down from its highs and from when it reported earnings as well. I think both of these companies are just phenomenal. You're getting a great price. Certainly expectations have come down because we are seeing a little bit slower growth, but these companies are doing a very good job and they're the leaders in their industry.
All right, thanks, Stephanie. I appreciate it. So Deere, buy on that dip. Thanks so much.